Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MH Creations. Today we have to learn how to use Telegram without connecting a VPN connection. So let's start and follow my steps. Open any browser in your mobile and search MT Pro. Click on the link. Tap on Open Here button and click on any proxy you want. Now open Telegram and click on Proxy icon. Add new proxy that given in video description. Connect to new proxy and the work is done. Telegram is working without installing a VPN connection. Thanks for watching. Hit like subscribe button for more latest updates. Stay connected with us.